In this session, we review the management of devices and storage. First, let me ask, why do we even care about storage rooms? The simple answer is that they're important rooms for tracking an IT device through its life cycle. In fact, the storage room comes into play at 2 points in every device's life cycle. First, when a device is received at the receiving dock, it's received into a storage room using InCommand's device manual add functionality. This process is reviewed in the IT Ops device manual add video. The other time a device goes into storage is when it's decommissioned from a data center. In the IT Ops planning decommissions video, we reviewed how to move a decommissioned device into a storage room. So, what can we do with devices in our storage rooms? Well, there are 5 common actions: e-wasting a device, donating a device, perhaps we recommission the device back into a data center, maybe we sell the device, or maybe we just trash it. Ever wonder if a particular device was e-wasted? Or how many devices you e-wasted last year, donated, sold, trashed? Wonder no more. By using InCommand storage management features, you can keep track of all these actions and easily produce reports. Let me demonstrate how this is done. To navigate to the storage management page, go to IT Ops, Storage Management, Devices and Storage. You are now looking at a list of devices that you have in storage. Like other device lists, you can filter and sort from the column headings. Click on a column heading, and that column sorts, ascending, descending, depending on how many times you click. You can search for a device by name, by model, by status. Anyway, these are common filter sort functions on all InCommand grid lists. You can also remember the hamburger stack in the upper right hand corner. By clicking on the hamburger stack, you can export your list to a CSV file, or you can choose to display columns or hide columns. For example, if I'm not interested in the company or the room column, I'll simply uncheck company and uncheck room, and now no longer do I see those columns. Fear not, the columns are not gone. I can click on the hamburger stack again, and I can add those columns back into my view. Now, back to the device list. There's 2 main actions that we can take for devices in storage. One is the edit action, the other is a move action. First, let's look at edit. Clicking on the edit icon, it brings up the host of fields, detail fields on the device. All these fields are editable. I could edit the device name. I could add a PO number. I could update the serial number. I could add an asset tag and any other field here. And I can also add a device note. All of these fields will be updated and kept with the device through its life cycle. Secondly, is the move action. Oftentimes, a device might show up at one site or be decommissioned at one of your data centers, and you might have an occasion to ship that device to another data center for recommissioning there. Once the device is in storage, you click the move icon, and it brings up a simple move dialog box. It has the from site, and you can select another site in your data center portfolio to move the device to. Having selected the site, you can move it to your storage room at that new site, and you can move it to your storage rack at that new site. Usually there's only one room and rack to choose from, So this is a very easy form to fill out. And once it's filled out, you click the Move button and the device record is moved to the other site. Well, that's pretty much it. In summary, you can edit device records to update the fields like serial numbers, asset tags. You can update the status of a device. Updating the status, for example, to e-waste or updating it to donated. You get the picture. Or you can move the device from one site to another site. All in all, managing the status and location of devices in storage is a very important aspect of tracking the movement and whereabouts of IT assets through their life cycle. That concludes this session on managing devices in storage. Have a great rest of the day.